everyone, Halloween series 2025. This is week 2. So today I'll be making donut eyes. So what all goes into the donut eyes? Powdered donettes, and you can use as many as you want to. You can use the whole bag, just a couple, just however many you have of the other stuff as well. Gummy lifesavers, and they have green for the eye color. I might do, a couple of reds or something to make them really creepy, monster-like. I don't know. But most of them are going to be green just because that's a natural eye color. Brown M&Ms, and this is a pack of other different colors. So guess who gets to eat the rest of the M&Ms? Yeah, me. Only because I had to have the brown ones. I didn't have any use for the other colors, so that's going in my tummy. This is optional. It's calling for the red food gel. I thought I had some. I looked in the store. I couldn't find any there. So I'm just going to be doing cookie icing. And that's to make the red veins in the eyeballs. This is optional. I'm only going to do a couple of them, I think, like that. We'll see. So let's begin. So take a tray. I had a Halloween tray, but I didn't have a cover for it. So I'm just going to be using my Bundt cake pan tray, and put as many powdered donuts as you want to. Who doesn't like powdered donuts? They do make a mess though, don't they? I want them kind of spread apart so they don't get in the way with each other. Those are going to be the basis of the eyeball. Then you take Gummy lifesavers. I tip them upside down so you can't see the lifesaver logo on there. These are probably more the right color. I'm going to put a couple of red ones there. This is so easy. This will be fun for the kids to make for Halloween or Halloween parties. I think I'll do a couple of orange ones. I guess if they're monsters, they can be any color that you want. We will put another one like that. They're already starting to look like eyeballs. Next, we'll take the M&Ms, and we want just the brown M&Ms, and put them face down so you don't see the M on top of the lifesaver. The holes aren't very big in the lifesaver, so you could take your red icing and put it on top and use it as glue. Same way with the lifesavers, because they're not stuck. But you may want to give that a thought if you are having your little kids, grandkids, neighbor kids make these. You probably want to make them a little bit more secure. I'm thinking these are really beginning to look a lot like eyeballs. All right, so I'm going to show you what you can do with these. You can take and put a little bit of that and set it on there to act as the glue. And I just put that upside down, or right side up. Put it on the M side, so you have a little bit of that, and set it down there, and that will be the glue. Just make sure, I should have had that one turned over because you can see the lifesaver logo on there. Then you can just take and make your veins. I still think the red food gel would be better, but this works. So let me finish this and I'll be right back. Look how easy that turned out. There you have it, our donut eyeballs. And when Dave gets home, we'll do a taste test. So here are the donut eyes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Bloodshot cookies.
Those are donut eyes.
Oops. I'm making a mess.
Oh, it fell off. I tried to glue them on there.
I tried to bite the edge of it and knocked it off.
I said you'd have to cement them on there for kids.
Had extra cement for overgrown kids.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.